All right, guys, back here at the grocery store, checking out the cars. Dude, there is still, what? From the P case, the Passin Gasser. There it is, sorry. The Passin Gasser still on the pegs. Holy cow. So, yeah, it looks like we're still getting B case here. There is a store I want to check in today's video that we have never checked for cars. Now, they may not have anything. Volkswagen T2, that's nice. They may not have anything. I'm just reading the names, guys. But, you know, I heard that some people were getting lucky at this weird store that you just wouldn't consider a store. Oh, man, there it is. All right, so we did get another C case restock. Okay. Now, there's the BMW. Oh gosh. Crock rod down. Well, good. Looks like it fell right on the face of the blister. All right, one more row to go. All right, let's go. I want to check a couple other stores that we normally don't go to. Oh, and guess what? That's going to be a Zamek this year. All right, well, I stopped by the auto parts store and I was hoping to see some cool premiums because they keep advertising that they're gonna have the new R34, but dude, this place is hurting. Hey, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope everyone saw yesterday's video. Dude, what was up with the cases, bro? That weird sticker indicating there should have been some kind of Mercedes in there. I saw your comments. A lot of people are saying repacks. We are checking a store that I've been hearing has been getting or gotten Hot Wheels, and it's a Barnes & Noble. I honestly didn't expect the toy section to be as large as it is, so it's very possible we might see something here today. Dude, so like the whole top floor is just stacked with toys, bro. I mean, this is crazy. I figured it was a bookstore. Will we find Hot Wheels, though? That is the question. Dude, so many Legos here. Holy cow. I saw the DeLorean, too, the Back to the Future. Do they have... Oh, it's empty. What? So I guess that one you must have to, like, ask for $199.99? Oh, dude. The rumors were true, and at first glance, there's a couple of vintage cars behind me, which I'll show you. And then I look up and I see something pretty incredible. All right, so we'll just get this out of the way. Thundercats Premium Vintage Race Cars for $3.99, dude. So an extra $1 over, well, I guess if you can't get them at the Walmart, maybe it's worth the extra $1. But yeah, metal base, so that's very cool. So they also have these pullback speeders, color reveals, some Mario Kart stuff. We got some Bakugan. Okay, we have some Jada cars here as well. They all look like they're TV and movie cars. Wow, look at this, guys. The Volkswagen Originals Majorette set, the box set. Wow, and two of the cars, of course, are exclusives. Wow, the pink Beetle looks awesome, man. Chilling in a camper. We got a surfboard on that, I think is a T2. Where does it say? Oh, it doesn't. It used to say, like, this is a Porsche something and a Porsche something else. All right, so what's up here? All right, so some monster trucks, Bigfoot. We got haulers, team transport. All of them are the Impala, except for that one. Hey, dude, this next item is insane, bro. Like, I would not have expected this to be here, and the cars that are in here, wow. Oh, they do have, like, some 5-packs, too, but they look like older ones, a lot of fantasy stuff. Dude, look at this. Hello, Pandem Subaru BRZ Custom Integra GSR Mitsubishi Toyota GR Supra Nissan Z Mazda RX-7 Pandem. Look at the color, the pink BRZ, the beautiful Integra. Oh wow, that is the nicest Integra I have ever seen from them, bro. It's got a metal base. This thing is heavy, dude. Wow, look at the blue Nissan. Wow, the RX-7. Oof, except for that 3000. Dude, I love it. Look at the card art on this thing. Box set, Hot Wheels, 20 bucks each. Not terrible. Not a terrible price. Oh, they have some other stuff as well. Let's see what kind of multi-pack we dealing with. Oh yeah, there's the CRX. This is an older one. The Lightning is still in there. Whoa, dude. What is this? ABC Racers. 26 vehicles are in here. A lot of fantasies, A, B, and C. 26 vehicles. Wow, how much even is this thing? Yeah, $35 for the ABC Racers, but it's probably, well, I don't know. There's a nice truck, the Camaro. Dude, imagine that's in there and it's the Scoop and it's a loose one. That would be crazy. I wish there was a way to like see what's in there, but it's all sealed up. Oof, I am so impressed with this thing. It's such a cool box. Is there like a name? I can't read any of that. What does it say? We're gonna need a translator for sure, dude. Wow. Oh, there's some kind of racetrack or something? What is that? Like, what's the racetrack symbol? 90, 99, 23. Wow, I don't know what, I guess those are years. 1990, 99, maybe. Wow. Anyway, except for the 3000, dude. Oh, the Integra is beautiful, bro. I'm going to get one and open this thing. The RX-7, dude. Ooh, super impressive, dude. I am grabbing a few, but Works Diecast wants some as well, so I'll get 4. We'll split them up. It's so heavy. I mean, the weight is incredible. Interesting. Cheap $5 Funko Pops, dude. Like I said, man, this is crazy. Tin Man. Yeah, down to 5 bones here at the old Barnes & Nobles. I did look to see if there's any cool chases, but I don't think there is. It's not worth going through this whole huge display. It's a very large display. All right, next up on the Diecast Fun Train, another $1.25 tree plus, dude. The joke is on me for real, bro. Who at Mattel is doing this? Sending the Florida Man only e-cases. Okay, deja vu for the 500th time. Let's check out Mercedes. Let's check out Fiats. Let's check out R33 Godzillas. Dude, at this point, we could have had 3 full cases of them cars if I was a jerk. All right, we got an EEH, which is absolutely in pretty good condition. And then there's this weird E2A. We were seeing E1As, but oh no. Oh, dude, are we gonna have our first open super treasure hunt possibly? Oh gosh, this box, this poor box, dude. And honestly, if I were to guess which one could have it, it's tough to say because that one says E2A, but based on what I'm seeing, I would say it would have been that one. We'll see. EEH, E2A, here we go again. All right, well, I'm gonna start with the nicer of the 2 boxes instead of that old junk thing, dude. That poor thing, oof, I don't know what was on top of it during transit, but it was heavy. I'm guessing it was soap of some kind. All right, do we see any gold? Let's check the Mercedes. I mean, we've seen so many of these boxes. It's about time. All right, well, maybe not. Maybe not, dude. All right, well, it does have the Batmobile treasure hunt. If you saw yesterday's video, we found a couple of e-cases. Well, 3 in total, and not even one of them had the regular Batmobile treasure hunt. 1 Mercedes here, nothing. Let's flip her over. All right, here we go. Side number 2 out of 4. Man, that box got destroyed. Imagine there's a crushed something good in there. Oof. Well, that'd be about my luck. Break your record with a broken card. All right, all good, dude. All good. As I expected. There's the main right there. Bada bing, all good. We're gonna check for a second one, and oh, check the Mercedes. Yep, and we're gonna check for a second one just in case, because maybe they have a second one in here. I'm not seeing it. All right. Let's move on before pegging them up to this one. Oh, she is hurt, dude. She is in hurt box. Oh gosh, even the top. Oh yeah. Oh, no bueno, no bueno. Fiat in the top, of course. Why are we seeing that so often, dude? There it is. There's the Fiat right in the top. If you saw yesterday's video, you know there was a very strange sticker indicating something about a Mercedes. But unfortunately, I really didn't lead us to anything good. Gosh, I do hope there's another one in the bottom, just, you know, just to not kill the vibe here. I mean, come on now. Oh, what an awful, oh gosh, this one is so bad. Oh man, what happened? What happened to you, you poor thing? All right, well, is there anything gold? Look how crooked everything is. Oof, oof. There's a Mercedes here. Definitely got folded up. I'm thinking this box got wet. Looks like it got wet. That's what I'm guessing happened. Yeah, so there's the other Mercedes. Bada bing, bada boom. Wow, dude. So R33s, of course. I didn't even look for the Batmobile just to see if it's here. I mean, not that we're gonna get it. Let's do a look. All right. Here we go. Was there a Batmobile in the... Yeah, the 2As, the 1As have not had it. So these last few rounds of E-cases are a little strange. Yeah, I don't see it in here. So, all right, let me get to pegging these cars up, dudes. This is unreal. This is unreal how this case will not stop showing up. Where's the F? Holy cow, dudes. 5 fresh E-cases in 2 videos. And, dude, that one was absolutely underwater for sure. Everything is out. Batmobile treasure hunt somewhere in there. I hit it pretty good. Fiat's just chilling right there. We got the R33. We got EGs. Come and get your cars. All right, the joke's on the TheFLORIDAman. You'll never get to see another case but E. That's what we get, right? No, it's all good, dude. Staying on the hunt, pavement to the feet. You know how we do. Holy cow, dude. That was so amazing, bro. What an amazing box set. Dude, I heard about the store and I just was waiting to go, and now we know why. Look at that, dude. So the Dodge D100, we will see that as an exclusive color car along with this Art Cars mod speeder, and I'll put a picture right here, like everywhere, so you can see. Take a screenshot. There you go. That's the new Dollar Tree exclusives. That's right, $1 and a quarter tree plus. And I think there's I don't remember if there was a mail-in car involved with that. It's possible there is. We're checking the grocery store. All right, so they have the newer KDR 30, right? Is that the newer one or the older one? I forget. I see so many Hot Wheels all day, guys. All right, so I did just stop by this other grocery store. Oh yeah, so that's the older one for show. All right, so I was hoping again to see a little something new, some G-case, right? A lot of them were getting G-cases. Now they paused. We're gonna hit one more place. All right, so the kid from the auto parts store was like, yo, go to the Walgreens. They had a whole display of cars, and I'm really hoping it wasn't this one, because I don't see anything. This is pretty cool though, a little Back to the Future action, dude. That's cool. The time machine, hello? Does the door do the thing? It does. That's cool. Okay, well, not the diecast we wanted. Is that a Fast and Furious RX-7? Is that Hans? Dude, is that Hans' car? And then a Marvel Iron Man Camaro. Dude, this is crazy. Ooh, the Evo is still here. Wow, Back to the Future Mustang. I don't see no JDM. Lots of black, old school classic. All right, we're off topic here. Hold on. Yeah, I hope that's not the display he was talking about. The other interesting thing is that says F case, and we know that's new. And that says F case. That's going to be a Zamek as well, I think, right? Isn't that what's coming with that EG? My dudes, what does this one say? Mod speeder. Yeah, F for show. All right, well, that's cool. Wish I had a Porsche keychain. Wow, dudes, what an amazing score. We have to translate, like, what is all of this? Obviously, that says Hot Wheels. We can tell from the banner, but the only English I see is right there. All right, I broke out the translator. So first we're gonna see Bot Wheels, which it obviously is trying to say Hot Wheels. Then the other one says Stand Set, which is really Standard Set. We're seeing Standard Set. So Hot Wheels, Standard Set, and then this one, From the Mountains to the City, that says Japan, as we're about to see. Yeah, Hoy Wheels, okay. Hello, yeah, Japan, there it is. So Japan up there, Standard Set down there. from the mountains to the city up in the corner. Dude, that is so cool. All right, so we grabbed 4 of these bad boys. Works wants maybe 2, definitely 1. Nitto, Greddy, Rotiform, Sparco, Nissan, Honda, iBike, AEM, Mitsubishi Motors, all the licenses. This Integra is amazing, dude. Look at the paint. Like, it's so hard to even show how much clear coat they did. There is so much detail and quality. I really want to open this and check it out. I noticed this. It looks like it has the clear tails, like the JDM clear tail lights. I really feel like that's what they went for on the Integra. The RX-7 Pandem, look at that, Pandem logo, really nice wheel, body kit all painted to match the car. And then it says Pandem on the front windshield banner. Dude, this is an incredible set. There's the BRZ up close and personal. Ooh, a little wheel issue going on there. But yeah, metal bases. The box is so heavy, guys. You could only really wheel swap so much of this. I mean, why even mess with the Integra or the RX-7? Maybe the rest of them you could have some fun with. This is absolutely the best box set I have ever seen. I love the card art, as you see here. It's got all the cars, all the names. Japan right there. Oh gosh, we didn't translate that. Is that the same? Yeah, so we already know what that says. From the mountains to the city. Look at me knowing Japanese.